Honey, do you know what today is? Nope. It's 3 weeks before our anniversary. I wonder what you're gonna get me this year. Yeah, me too. Hey kids! I'm going on the computer to look for some gifts for Daddy. Do you want to help me?
Yes! Here, come on. Me too. I'm coming downstairs, Mom.
Meow. Okay, girls, we're going to go online because we're going to find a great anniversary gift for Dad. It's our anniversary in 3 weeks. You want to help me pick out some nice stuff to get him?
Yeah!
And you know what? We're going to have to give him some ideas too because he doesn't know what he's going to get me, but it's going to be good this year, right?
Right. Yeah, right.
All right, let's go online to our favorite site, titaniumjewelry.com.
Wow. Wow.
Ooh, I better order something today. Look at that. What day
Wow.
is today? Sunday? Sunday, February 22nd. Better order something today. Oh my gosh, I love that necklace. What do you think?
I love it.
That is so pretty. Oh, that's gorgeous for an anniversary ring. Oh, I love colored diamonds.
Me too.
What do you think? You think Dad would like some cufflinks?
Yes.
Oh, that's a beautiful ring.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I love the blue. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
Ooh, cufflinks. What do you think?
I love it.
Oh, I like that bracelet. I've got to have that. You got to tell Daddy I want that, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, look at this. I mean, this site has just so much stuff. I love that bracelet.
Me too.
Ooh, a money clip. Do you think Daddy would like it?
Yeah.
Oh, that is just gorgeous. That is so pretty. Titaniumjewelry.com. It's really a great site.